everybody, it's Christine with Cocoa Daisy. So let's take a look at the stamp sets we have for our July collection called Summer Vibes. And I'm also going to show you the stamp set that we have for our special add-on kit. It's not part of any subscription, our cocktail kit. So we have a really fun large stamp set that is in the cocktail kit. The cocktail kit is going to be available as just a separate purchase. It's not a part of any subscription. It will be available to subscribers first during early ordering, and then any that are left will be available to the general public on the 1st of June. So let's dig in here and show you what we have. We've got a number of stamp sets this month. This one is from the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. We have a great number set that is part of the Modern Memory Keeping Kit, and it also matches the stamp set from last month that was in the Modern Memory Keeping Kit. We also have some extras of this still available in the store, so you can grab this great outline alpha as well. So that does match that. This great Days of the Week, super versatile. This is part of the July main planner kit. That comes in that kit. And then, of course, this great set that is part of the cocktail kit. I should mention, if you get the stamp subscription, you get these two stamps as well. So we're going to start off. I'm going to show you a couple examples using this set here, and it has all of these great words that you can layer. There's so you can see here where I do some examples. I'm not going to go through every single one of them, but you can see some ideas of how I've layered the words together to create these fun titles, or you could even create these as die cuts. You could use the lemons for the background. The sunshine is really fun. There's a little seashell in there. And then there's a little, let's see if I can find on here. It's these three, almost like a little burst, the three little dashes. And those are just a fun little accent that you can add to some of the words as well. And then you have the fun little, makes the little waves there. And the ice cream cone. The ice cream cone, I did that. I'm going to show you a technique in just a minute, but the ice cream cone, what I did to get the two colors on there is stamp this half on one color and then the ice cream on another. So you can do that that way. And a quick look at the colors that I used this month. And we have these in the store. I'll be ordering more if any of them are sold out, so make sure you check back regularly. I have Sunshine, Raspberry, Cherry Kisses, Salmon, the Melon Orange, Ocean, Gumdrop, and Tropic Teal. And again, those are all from the Stamp Market, and we have those in the store. From my stash, I have a brown from the Memories collection then, and of course I love to use the VersaFine black as well, and we should have that in the store too. So that is the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Stamp set. And then a look at the cocktail set. And the fun thing about the cocktail set is that we have all of the different mugs or glasses, cocktail glasses, that you can then layer with all of the different pieces to go in them and create your own cocktail, and then add a fun saying with it as well. There's even some fun little bubbles if you want to add those around it. So you can see where I've done that, where I've layered all of these different things together and created some fun accents. If you yourself make cocktails, this would be really fun to make some recipe cards using these. This would be great to create invitations for a party, or if you have a layout about, like I do, I take pictures of cocktails Mr. Daisy makes all the time. So this would be fun for that as well. And you can always color these in with whatever color cocktail that you want as well. There's a great tiki mug and the coconut as well. So you have all of those options, and I'll show you how to do one of those in just a minute. And then we have, I mean, these are pretty self-explanatory. Days of the week, there's a couple ways that you can use those. Obviously, it's the days of the week, so you can stamp those. I wanted to show how you could layer them with the number stamps. So I did just a couple of layering of that, so you can do obviously one if you're doing a journal, or if you're doing any sort of memory keeping and you want to do a 1 through whatever list, that's fun. You can use this in a planner as well. So here you can see where I layered the numbers with the day of the week, and then I also put the sunshine behind that one. And then this one I used the hashtag along with the summer from the Traveler's Notebook stamp set. So there's a lot of fun ways that you can use all of these bits and pieces from the number set. But let's go ahead and let's make a cocktail so I can show you a couple of ways to layer these. So we'll do this real quick. So I chose this fun glass. So we do that. And then I want to add the straw, but I don't want the straw to show through. So we're going to do my fun little masking technique. So you're going to stamp that. You're going to take just a piece of scrap paper and you're going to line that up where you want it to end. So I want it to end about there. And I'm going to stamp that on there. And then you can see it keeps it from going all the way down. So you can do the same idea with the cute little leaf. So we're going to throw that on there as well. I'm just going to put one of those over here on this side, because you know it's all about garnishing your cocktail. And so you do that, and then we're going to do the same thing with our little umbrella. And I'm going to do that in this orange color. So same idea. You just put that right about where you don't want it to show through, and you can put that on there, and then that's how you build your fun little cocktail and decorate it. And you can do that with all of the different items that are part of this stamp set. So that's just, in that technique, you can use that same technique. If you look here, I did the same thing with the summer with the sunshine above it. It's the same idea. You just use that little masking technique with just a piece of scrap paper. And that's how you build that, and you can mask it off just super quick as you're stamping. So those are the stamps for this month. I hope you can snag one of the cocktail kits. That's going to be a lot of fun. And this is super bright and fun for summer as well.